Yes, I can confirm that we have received a correspondence from the Secretary General of the NFP, Mr. Baba, about the expulsion of their only member in the House, MEC Shinga at the time. We have, after that, brought to the attention of the member that in terms of the law, when you are terminated or expelled from your party, you also cease to be a member, and we have to inform her that you are now expelled from your party, therefore you're no longer a member, which the member had written back to us, telling us through her own representative that they intend going to court, and we wrote back saying that there's nothing that involves us. It's an internal party matter. Ours is to comply with the law. But also, I hear of a letter that is in the social media that I'm being asked of. I cannot confirm that the letter is the exact letter that we wrote because I haven't seen the letter. But I can confirm that I have been corresponding with the NFP through the Office of the Secretary General, and we have the letters in our disposal that we are sharing, particularly including the preparation for a swearing in. Now, when you're going to a swearing in, you have to see whether the party reviews the list or not. There is a list of the NFP that is on the record, and there is a list of the NFP that was submitted yesterday. We are going to look at, compare on these two letters, and then I believe that we would be responding to the NFP tomorrow probably, because some of the letters came in now after working hours. We would be responding to them, and we can set from tomorrow the date of the swearing in. It's not factually true that we have committed to have a swearing in tomorrow. There's no swearing in that is planned in tomorrow. We have to still finalize the process, because if it's a new list that is being submitted, you have to take it through their own process. Unless it is a list that has been published, and it is a list that has been with us, which was published. If it is any different list, then we'll have to go through the process once more. But I can confirm that. Otherwise, as we stand, we have a vacancy in the legislature in terms of the NFP that no longer has a member.